Improve your leadership and decision-making skills with this comprehensive video. Learn how to seek out opportunities to lead and make decisions, learn from admired leaders, embrace failure, and be self-aware. Get tips and insights on how to become an effective leader and make informed decisions. Dedicate yourself to your leadership journey and see the positive results. Hello everyone, welcome to this video on leadership and decision-making skills. Today we will explore the key skills and traits needed to be an effective leader and make effective decisions. The first skill that is essential for good leadership is clear communication. A leader must be able to clearly and effectively communicate their vision, goals, and expectations to their team. This helps ensure that everyone is working towards the same objectives. Another key trait of effective leaders is empathy. Being able to understand and relate to the needs and emotions of others is crucial in building trust and relationships with your team. Decision-making is another critical aspect of leadership. Good leaders must have the ability to weigh their options, assess the potential consequences, and make informed decisions. It's also important for leaders to have a strong sense of integrity and ethics. This means being honest, fair, and transparent in all their dealings, both with their team and in business decisions. Another key leadership skill is being adaptable. Effective leaders must be able to pivot and change course as needed, while still maintaining their vision and values. Effective leaders also possess strong problem-solving skills. They are able to analyze situations and come up with creative solutions that benefit everyone involved. Finally, it's important for leaders to have a strong work ethic and be committed to their goals. This helps them stay focused and motivated, even when faced with challenges and obstacles. In conclusion, effective leadership requires a combination of skills, including clear communication, empathy, informed decision-making, integrity, adaptability, problem-solving skills, and a strong work ethic. By developing these skills, you can become a better leader and make effective decisions that benefit your team and organization. Thank you for watching this video on leadership and decision-making skills. I hope these tips and insights help you grow as a leader and make better decisions. But it's not just about developing these skills, it's also about putting them into practice. The best way to do that is to seek out opportunities to lead and make decisions. This could be in your personal life, your community, or your workplace. Another great way to improve your leadership and decision-making skills is to learn from others. Seek out leaders you admire and learn from their experiences. Read books and attend workshops on leadership and decision-making. And don't be afraid to make mistakes. Failure is a natural part of the learning process, and it's how we grow and become better leaders. So embrace failure, learn from it, and keep pushing forward. Finally, always be self-aware and open to feedback. Take time to reflect on your actions and decisions, and listen to the feedback of others. This will help you identify areas for improvement and make positive changes in your leadership style. In summary, the key to improving your leadership and decision-making skills is to practice, learn from others, embrace failure, and be self-aware. With dedication and perseverance, you can develop the skills and traits needed to become an effective leader and make informed decisions. Thank you again for watching this video on leadership and decision-making skills. I wish you all the best in your leadership journey and hope you find these tips and insights helpful. This video was brought to you by Channel Success Mindset and Personal Growth. Subscribe now and start your journey towards success.